How to delete the saved card or bank account? First of all, open the Grab app and ensure you are logged into your account. Now, from the home screen, tap on the Payment tab located at the bottom middle. This will bring you the payment section where you can manage your saved payment methods. Once you are in the payment section, scroll down and you will see two options: saved cards and saved bank account. Choose the one you want to remove, whether it's a card or a bank account. Tap on the payment method you want to delete. A new screen will open with details about the saved method. Here, you'll see an option to delete the card or account. Tap on the delete button and the prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Confirm the action and your payment method will be removed from your account. If you want to remove multiple payment methods, simply repeat the process for each one. And that's it. Now you know how to delete the saved card or bank account in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.